Welcome. We want to subdivide the line we have here. The line measures 112 units, subdivided into 5 parts. So if you do some calculations, you find each part will be approximately 22.4 units. So how do you go about it? This is what you do. First, you draw the line as directed. Now, second, construct another line, slanting line here at an angle less than 90 degrees of any length, and divide this slanting line into 5 equal parts. So, and when you're using your compass to mark those directions, you mark at any distance, but they should be equidistant. So we want to subdivide it into 5 points. So we have our subdivisions there. So I've used circles because I'm using AutoCAD. But if you are using a line compass, you stand at this point, mark here, then use this as the center, mark this point all the way up to the last point. Once you do that, this number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5. So join the last mark to the end of our line. So join it there, and subsequently draw lines from your marking parallel to the last line that you drew there. So we draw the lines. So now we have the 5 points or the 5 parts of our line. Let's now measure them. We can erase this first. So let's measure them to see if they are 22.4 units. So the first one I get 22.4. Let me see the second one. It's also 22.4. Then finally, so mathematically we got the answer 22.4, and now graphically we found the answer to be 22.4. So that's how you subdivide the line to the required number of parts. And thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.